morning all. So we have been discussing about the pre-treatments, various pre-treatments which are being used for pre-treating many fibers. Okay, resizing is one of the pre-treatment for cotton fabric, and is covering bleaching, mercerization, singeing, all those things. Similarly, we also have a plant fiber called jute. Okay, from where do we get jute? What is the double name for jute? What is the double name for jute? Sudden, right? So we get it from plants, especially coconut and all. Okay, the fiber which is extracted from the coconut trunk and branches, we will process them as jute. Okay, this processing is called as retting. Okay, there is this pre-treatment or this processing is called as retting. So we know certain pre-treatments, and these pre-treatments require some modification, and we are also studying some modified pre-treatments in every class. Okay, here also we know retting is a processing technique in which jute fiber is extracted from the plant part. Okay, and this retting requires some modification also. Okay, that we will study as a case study. Okay, what is the requirement and what is the problem, and then what is the solution for it. Okay, in this case study we will discuss about it. So I was telling about retting. Can anyone of you tell me what is called as retting?
Retting is a microbial process in which the plastic fiber gets loosened or any separation from woody stocks.
So here, in this, what else? Retting, the fibers are extracted from the woody part. Okay, that is called as retting. Okay. That the jute fiber from the woody part, because woody part they are very hard. Those hard parts need to be converted into soft, smooth fibers. This process is called as retting. Okay, retting can be carried out in different ways, and this retting can be of two types: dry retting, wet retting. Can anyone of you tell what is dry retting, what is wet retting? Yes. So actually, retting requires large amount of water. Okay. Usually retting is carried out in lakes, ponds, etc. That water is available in plenty. Okay. So as she told, dry retting will not happen immediately. Okay. We will let the plants to dry. Whenever monsoon comes, you will use that particular rainwater for retting to happen. That is called as dry retting. But wet retting happens immediately, which in a lake or a pond, the plants which are harvested are put in, and retting happens inside the water. And for this we require large amount of water, and the number of days which is required for the retting to happen is also more. It may require some 21 days for the fibers to get loosened and to get converted into fiber. Okay, from the woody part, you can imagine a strong woody trunk is converted into a fine fiber. So for that process, it requires some 21 days. Okay, you cannot get it immediately as you want. Okay, so these two types are usually practiced. That is dry retting and wet retting. Dry retting, during monsoon alone it can happen. So you will not do it anytime. Okay, wet retting it can happen at any time, but it requires some 21 days and it requires large amount of water. So as I am telling the different types, can you list out the advantages? Who is going to tell? Yes. There is no need of skilled labor. Yes. There is nothing like the technical skill required. Okay, right.
Then there is no need of
No, we are not adding any chemical inside. Okay, sit down. We just require only water. So these are the two advantages. As I am telling should make the process fast. So the slow process becomes fast by means of introducing microbes. We are not introducing any chemical. Kindly note, we are not introducing any chemical. So the process is eco-friendly, one thing. But the problem of slower process is fastened, becoming more effective by using microbes. Okay. And the second problem what she told is large amount of water is getting polluted. Okay. When we introduce microbes, this makes the process fast. So you need not require more amount of water also. It can happen in a tank. Okay. In a closed tank, you can introduce microbes and you need not pollute the entire lake or the pool. Okay. So this microbial retting enhances the retting process, makes it more efficient and also reduces time. Wastage of water is also reduced. Okay. This is how retting of jute becomes more sustainable with microbial retting. So we have a problem. Retting of jute is good,